Hello kids, welcome back to R&B Kids Story. Today we are here with the story of Tweety, a beautiful bird who lived in a beautiful garden. Once upon a time, there was a little bird named Tweety who lived in a beautiful garden. Tweety was very proud of her colorful feathers and loved to show them off to all the other birds in the garden. One day, Tweety saw a group of birds flying high up in the sky, and she wished she could fly like them. She felt sad and lonely because she couldn't fly as high as the other birds. One day, Tweety met a wise old owl who lived in the garden. The owl listened patiently to Tweety's vows and said, Tweety, you're unique and special just the way you are. You don't need to be like anyone else. You have your own talents and abilities that make you special. Tweety thought about what the owl had said and realized that she was indeed special. She had beautiful feathers that no other bird had, and she could sing better than any other bird in the garden. She felt happy and content with herself. From that day on, Tweety stopped comparing herself to others and started enjoying her own unique qualities. She sang beautiful songs every day and made friends with all the other birds in the garden. She realized that being different was not a bad thing after all. The moral of this story is that everyone is unique and special in their own way. We should celebrate our differences and embrace our individuality. The end. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more kid stories like this. Thank you.